Regular meditation changes your brain. Richard Clarke helps you understand changes you can bring about with your meditation practice. Watch this video for more. Today, I'm going to talk about interoception, feeling your body. Interoception refers to the representation of your internal states and includes the processes by which you sense, interpret, integrate, and regulate signals from within your body. Interoception helps you feel and understand what's going on inside your body. That's why it's called the eighth sense. Just so you know, the first seven are first the standard five senses of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, and then two that are internal, vestibular for movement and balance, like your semicircular canals, and proprioception for body position. With interoception, you know if your heart is beating fast or if you need to breathe more deeply. You're able to tell if you need to use the bathroom. You know if you're hungry, full, hot, cold, thirsty, nauseated, itchy, or ticklish. Interoception plays a major role in regulating emotion and reducing anxiety and depression. I suspect that anxiety reduction is a big part of why mindfulness has been shown to reduce stress and stress hormones. The main pathway for interoception is the vagus nerve. The vagus is the longest nerve of the autonomic nervous system, and it is responsible for such varied tasks as heart rate, swallowing and elimination of food, sweating, and muscle movements in the mouth, including speech. It is the path for internal signals to reach the brain from the body's organ. It is the primary path for interoception. Do you remember when I was introducing mindfulness, how I would say things like, notice the feel of your breath? I was saying this because brain science said body feeling was a way to halt the default network, the monkey mind, and turn on a different network, the past positive network, sometimes called the direct experience network. Note that the understanding of brain networks has not yet gotten to the point where they all have been cataloged and named, so the language is not always clear. We have done body scans where you were directed to feel different parts of your body. Well, noticing the feel of your breath and body also activates your interoception. So while your meditation is strengthening the attention circuits in your brain, it is also training your brain in interoception. So this ancient mindfulness technique also trains you in interoception, which is now one of the fastest moving areas in neuroscience and psychology, with academic conferences devoted to it and many new papers published every month. As you train your brain, your neuroplasticity actually rewires the brain to do it better. When I first read about interoception, I realized that this was something that I do pretty much all the time. As an example, when I wash the dishes, I feel my body, notice how it's standing, feel any tension or pain, and move, say, my hips to relieve the tension and to stand in a way that just feels better. Interoception also opens up the pathway for your emotions. This makes it easier to notice, experience, and then to release the emotion. This greatly reduces the emotional load that you otherwise would just carry around. Now, what can you do to practice specifically on interoception? One thing that has been tested and shown to work is the body scan, which focuses on the internal sensations within sequential body areas. Also, I am sure that mindfulness, by paying attention to the feel of your breath within your body, activates your interoception. Another thing is exercise. Exercise can change the nature of the signals that your brain receives. As you get fitter and organs like the heart become more adept at dealing with strain, your body will show a more resilient response to changing circumstances, changes that spill over into your emotional well-being. Exercise also makes you naturally more attentive to the signal from within your body. Paying more attention to the signals, you become healthier in body and mind. You want deeper meditation, more peace, more happiness. Subscribe now to continue to find ways to get more from your meditation.